Good morning, dear students. In the previous class, we started with the second chapter of English buzzword Along the Yellow Brick Road. It is a story of a young girl named Dorothy who is carried to the magical land of Oz by a storm. There on her journey, she has many adventures and she also meets some strange new friends. Among them were a talking scarecrow and a tin man. One morning, Dorothy and Scarecrow they went to a water spring. There they heard a deep sad sound of somebody. They walked towards the forest and found that there was a man standing made entirely of tin with an axe in his hand. And this man was not able to move his body at all. So when Dorothy asked him that it was you who was groaning, Tin Man said, "Yes, I have been in deep pain for more than a year, but no one has heard me and come for my help." Dorothy was very much moved by his voice and she decided to help him. She asked him softly that what can I do for you? Tin Man said that if my body will be well oiled, I will be all right again. And he pointed to a hut at the edge of the forest and said that you will find the oil can there on my cottage shelf. Dorothy, without any delay, she went there and bring the oil can. And she asked him that where should I start? From where I had to start oiling your body first. This much we have started in the previous class. Today we will do the remaining part of the chapter. Oil my neck first, said Tin Man. Tin Man said that you first oil my neck. As Dorothy began oiling it, Scarecrow held his tin hat and moved it gently from side to side till it worked freely. As Dorothy was oiling his neck, Scarecrow, he moved his head very carefully from side to side till it worked properly. Tin Man now gave a sigh of relief. Give a sigh of relief means to feel happy when something unpleasant has ended. So now Tin Man, he was very happy because his suffering had ended. This is a great comfort, he said. He said that this is a great comfort. He was feeling very comfortable. After this, if you oil the joints of my legs, I shall be able to walk again. Tin Man said that if you oil the joints of my legs, I will be able to walk again. So Dorothy and Scarecrow oiled his legs till they moved easily. So both Dorothy and Scarecrow, they oiled his legs till he was not able to move them properly. Tin Man felt grateful. Grateful means thankful. He was very much thankful and he politely thanked them for their help. I might have stood here forever if you hadn't come along, he said. He said that if you had not heard my sad song and come for my help, I would have been standing here only forever. So you certainly have saved my life. So you have saved my life. How did you happen to be here? Then he asked them their reason to be there. Dorothy replied, we are on our way to the Emerald City to see the Great Oz. Dorothy answered that we are going to the Emerald City to see the Great Oz. The yellow brick road led us to this place, and the yellow brick road, it will take us to that place. Why do you wish to see Oz? Asked Tin Man. Tin Man asked, why do you want to see Oz? I want him to send me back to Kansas, and Scarecrow wants Oz to give him some brains, she said. She said that I want Oz to send me back to my home, Kansas. Children, I have told you that Dorothy was carried to the magical land of Oz by a storm. She is a small girl. She had forgotten her way to home. So, she wants Oz to send her back to her home, Kansas. And Scarecrow wants Oz to gift him some brains. As Scarecrow has said that the most wonderful part of the human body is brain. So, he wants Oz to gift him some brains. Tin Man thought for a few moments and said, Tin Man, he thought for a while and said, do you suppose Oz could give me a heart? Do you think that Oz could give me a heart? I guess so, answered Dorothy. It would be as easy as to give the Scarecrow brains. She said, yes, and it would be as easy to give you the heart as it is to give Scarecrow brains. True, said Tin Man. If you will allow me to join your party here means group, I will go to the Emerald City and ask Oz for my wish. Tin Man said that if you allow me to join your group, I will also come with you to the Emerald City and I will ask Oz for my wish. Come along, said Dorothy and Scarecrow cheerfully. Dorothy and Scarecrow, they happily said that come with us. And with that, the three started marching towards the Emerald City. And with this, the three, Scarecrow, Tin Man and Dorothy, they start their journey towards the Emerald City. Thank you.